Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to turn off noise suppression in Discord Mobile, you're in the right place. Whether you're a gamer, a streamer, or just chatting with friends, sometimes you want your audio to come through exactly as it is. No filters, no suppression. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable noise suppression on Discord Mobile, so your voice can sound just the way you want. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Discord app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for your profile icon. It's usually in the bottom right corner of the app. Give that a tap to open up your user settings. Inside the settings menu, you'll see a bunch of options, but what you want to find is the one labeled voice. It might be called voice and video on some devices, but either way, tap on that to access your voice settings. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled suppression. This is where Discord manages features like noise suppression and echo cancellation. By default, Discord might have noise suppression turned on to help filter out background sounds, but sometimes this can make your voice sound unnatural or cut out important audio. To turn off noise suppression, simply look for the option under suppression and choose None. This disables any automatic filtering, letting your microphone pick up your voice and any other sounds exactly as they are. And that's it. You've successfully turned off noise suppression in Discord Mobile. Your audio will now come through without any extra processing, which is perfect if you're using a high-quality microphone or if you want your listeners to hear everything in your environment. If you ever want to turn noise suppression back on, just follow these same steps and select the suppression option that works best for you. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks.